Monetization simply means turning something you already have like skills, content, property, or an audience into money. And while the word may sound modern, it has a long history, because businesses and individuals have always looked for ways to convert value into income. And in today's world, there are more ways than ever before. From traditional methods like selling products or charging for services, to new methods such as ads, sponsorships, and digital platforms. And one clear example is the media industry, where newspapers once relied on print subscriptions, but now, many use online ads and paywalls to monetize digital readers. And this shift shows how strategies evolve with technology. Let's look at some key strategies. First is advertising, where you allow ads on your content. For example, YouTube creators earn from Google ads placed on their videos. Websites show banner ads, and mobile apps run short ad clips. This is one of the most common forms of monetization because you don't charge users directly but make money from attention. Second is subscriptions, where people pay regularly to access what you offer. And this can be seen in streaming services like Netflix, or in small businesses using Patreon or Substack, where fans pay monthly for exclusive content. Third is freemium models, where a basic product is free but premium features cost money. And examples include Spotify, which lets people listen for free with ads but charges for ad-free music. Or many apps and software tools that give free trials but unlock advanced tools for paying customers. Fourth is affiliate marketing, where you recommend products or services and earn a commission for each sale, which is powerful for bloggers, influencers, and review websites. And according to N's UK report, affiliate marketing was worth over £627 million in 2023, showing its huge growth. Fifth is e-commerce and direct sales, where you sell goods online, either physical items through platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or digital items such as ebooks, templates, and courses. And the market is booming, with UK e-commerce sales projected to exceed £260 billion in 2025. Sixth is licensing and royalties, where you allow others to use your work. For example, musicians get royalties when their songs play on radio or streaming services. Authors earn when books are sold, and software developers license their code to companies. Seventh is sponsorship and partnerships, where brands pay you to showcase their products. And this is common in influencer marketing with Instagram and TikTok creators, but also in podcasts and small business events. Eighth is data monetization, where businesses legally use customer data in anonymized ways to improve products or sell insights, a model used by many tech companies. Ninth is property monetization, such as renting out extra rooms, cars, or equipment, and Airbnb and Turo are examples of platforms that make this simple. And 10th is content paywalls, where you block part of your website or service and ask users to pay to see premium material, which is used by newspapers like The Times and the Financial Times in the UK, and has proved very effective in creating reliable income. Real-world examples make this clearer. J.K. Rowling monetized her intellectual property by licensing Harry Potter